Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to record your screen on iPhone. And seriously, this is a very short video because it's seriously that easy. Alright, from now, if you scroll right in the top to down, you will see our control panel just right here. Left in the bottom, you see that I already recording because you are watching to this video. But when you are not recording, this little icon left in the bottom is just a normal sign and is not red. So then click on that icon just right there. Then you have 3 seconds to remove your control panel, and then you will see this sign left in the top in the time just right there. It's red, and when it's red, you just recording your screen. Right now I want to add this recording, so then what we're gonna do is click on this red just right here and then click on stop recording, and then the recording will stop. This is seriously how easy it is, and if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.